Dividing with polynomials.
What did you say? All right. What are you doing?
Anyway,
Dividing with polynomials.
ignore her. Well, the problem we're doing today
I'll read it out.
is
The original problem is x to the fourth minus x squared plus 7x minus 15 divided by x plus 4. However, as you can see, you cannot divide this problem into this equation without filling in x to the third. So when you write it out, it should look like...
okay. Okay. Like that.
The 0 is simply a placeholder.
You know, it holds a place. So,
to get started with this equation, we're going to go ahead and use a different pen. You're going to see how many times x can go into the first part of the problem. So it's x to the fourth, which means x can go into it 3 times.
I don't think they can see that.
Can you see it? Oh my God.
Now, can you see it? Okay.
Alright, so when you multiply it all together, this way too big.
This times this is x to the fourth. The next step
is to multiply your x to the third with your x
Baby
plus 4. So that would be 4x cubed. However, because these all need to cancel out, the entire bottom becomes negative. So
subtract.
Those cancel out.
Bring that baby down.
That's right.
Okay.
And then you just do it all over again. It's quite repetitive.
And the negative 4x cubed is
you
negative.
go in negative 4 times an x to the 6.
Multiply again, negative 4 and 4.
Leave the nachos in Mom's plan.
Subtract. Cancel, because negative and negative equals a happy positive. And add, because negative negative equals a happy positive. So negative 1 plus 16 is 15.
Negative. Wait, it's positive now.
Yeah.
Because it's negative to negative 1. Yeah, that's positive 15.
I said that.
I'm sorry.
You're going to have to make it a little bit bigger.
Dude, we only have this much paper left.
We're almost done. We're not going to do this on camera.
Here we are. And then you're going to bring this down as well. So it's going to be plus 7x. And you do it again. X can go into 15x squared 15 times with 1x. And that will be 15x squared here. Multiply that by 4.
Wait, this.
I was about to say this is a big problem.
5 times 4 is 20. 2. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, get it. Calculator. Get the phone.
Hold on. How do you work this?
You look it up real quick and I'll just... Now please keep in mind what we're doing here. X can go to x to the fourth.
I don't know how to work this.
X cubed. X can go to x cubed, x squared.
What is it?
It just kind of slows down by 1. However, if you were to have a problem that began with x squared, you cannot go past the point of x squared because x squared cannot go into 1x. So all of this will be a remainder.
60.
Answer 60.
15 times 4 is 60 because 5 times 4 is 20. 0. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 4. Plus 2. 5, 6. 60.
Alright. So those cancel out once again. And then this plus that. Wait, this is negative now. So that would be 53x. And we're going to bring this last one down. Almost done.
Wait, what's the password?
So that will take over from this point.
Okay. Woo! So once you did that, -1, and then you had two negatives, so that became positive. Plus 16x, that's 15x squared. And yeah, 15x squared minus 15x squared that cancels out. And then when you multiply the 15 and the 4, they gave you 60. And when you add those, it's it was 7, positive 7 minus 60 is 53.
Okay, we did something wrong. It's okay, messing up is perfectly natural.
That's okay though.
Yes. As you can see here, this is not a 15. This is a 12x. Because when we came down here, we forgot to put the 4 here to make this into a 12. So it's now 12 here, and those cancel out. So the only mistake we made was making the 15 until it should be a 12. So we're fine now. Just know that this is 12x. And we're going to jump down here, back to where we were.
I'm confused.
And 48 should be our answer here. This is all for real. No. Well, we're not done. After that equals, and we get a -41.
So it's a part of doing math is making mistakes and learning where you need to go back and check yourself. Because if you don't, then
it's a good thing. It's a good thing we double check. It's a good thing we double check. So
we're just testing
here. Here. So now our final problem. This becomes negative. So those cancel out. This becomes a positive 16. Our remainder is 1.
Over x plus 4.
So our final answer is x cubed minus 4x plus 12x
Plus 1.
plus 1. Remainder 1.
No, that's not how you write it. Let me show you. When you have a remainder, this little number down here by itself, all lonesome, because it can't go in anything, that's called the remainder. It's the leftovers. You don't want that. So, you write 1 over the original up here, x plus 4. And that's how you would write the remainder. Now it's happy, because down here, it was sad. And there you go.
Alright, and that is dividing with polynomials.
Polynomial.
Yeah.
Now we dance. High five.
Hurry up.
And first of all, you cannot be discreet when we can see the reflection of the computer in your glasses. Listen,
I was cracking up. I was like, you can straight see